Hello startups, we are happy to announce that we are organizing a 3D printing startup challenge at AM Tech together with ASTM. Any startup from Asia and Middle East and India can apply for participation, and the awarded winner get the reward or in-kind services, but also you will be promoted in the marketing campaigns and also well connected with all the investors.
Yes, of course, we are really happy to support this 3D printing startup challenge by AM Tech. India is a gigantic market. It's one of the biggest economies in the world, a very strong domestic market, and from what we as AM Ventures can see, super strong dynamics in the additive manufacturing startup landscape. So go ahead, apply. We're looking forward to meeting you there.